Hi folks, Janet here with Strange RV Tours, and we're at Bay Landing RV Campground, which is part of Encore 1000 Trails. Been here 4 nights, and it is absolutely gorgeous, and we've had a great stay here. And let me show you around. We're in campsite number 175, which is actually just water and electric. They actually only have, I think 7 full hookups for 30 amp, and everything else is just water and electric. Lots of 50 amps, but we're right by the water, so I thought I'd bring you down. I mean, this is wonderful. I hear some kids, but then right now it's starting to fill up. It is today is Saturday actually, and so people are here for the weekend, I assume. But there's a lot of full timers too. But this lake is wonderful. And this camp goes all the way around this entire bay. And there's a lot of wildlife here. The deer, I've seen herds of doe. And fish just jumped. But you do need a fishing license in this area. But they do have a pond that you don't have to have a fishing license. But this is actually on Bridgeport Lake. So, and you can see the Runaway Bay Marina is right down the end there, past that bridge. Isn't this gorgeous? It is a beautiful day. I'll take you to the laundry here. Laundry is $150 for a regular load. And then it goes up to $175 if you want medium, and $2 if you want heavy. And these are $125 for the dryers. But as you can see, pretty big park, lots of lakefront, and there's storage. And I did use the iron the other day. And I love it when they have a sink. That way you can rinse your hands. Alright, let's keep going. Yeah, they are doing a lot of maintenance. They're trying to get more full sewage for some of the sites. So, anyway, isn't this nice though, with real trees? From Vegas, we didn't have the trees. There are some horseshoe pits right here by the bathhouse and laundry. So if you want to stay busy while you're doing your laundry and have some fun, here you go. Yeah, you can see there's a lot of people that hang out. Looks like full time. Everybody's been really really friendly. Okay, here's the little pond. I saw some turtles sunning themselves. Had little benches. You sit right down and enjoy the view. No fishing license required in their pond. So that's pretty cool. Especially if you're out of state. Little pavilion across the way. Okay. Well, this is the Armadillo walk path. Starts here, 5 miles. And they marked the pavement with these yellow little armadillo paintings. And it goes all around the park, back and around. And this is the Clubhouse, which has some barbecues. And there's a volleyball, like a volleyball court there. It's pretty awesome. But and this is where you can get canoes, and there's a whole slew of bikes over here. But soda machine. See if anybody's around. There you go. Women's bathroom. Game room. Pool table. They need some work, but yeah, you know, play putt-putt. We did that the other night, had a blast. Little computer area. Supposed to have a chili cook-off today. Shuffleboard. Basketball. It's pretty neat. And of course, horseshoes. Everything's in the Clubhouse that you could ever want. Volleyballs, putters, little putt-putt. Yeah, the pool's really nice. Little wading pool for kids. You know, nice little hot tub. It wasn't hot the other night, but still nice facility. Yeah, right by the Clubhouse, a big fire pit. And tetherball with a ball attached. Imagine that. Haven't done that since I was a kid. But you see them sitting around with like just a string and no ball. Well, they actually have one. As you can see, there are some really nice cabins here. They're more like duplexes. And over here, we're going to go to the boat ramp and the primitive camping, which is tent camping, you know that. And these are all right near the water. Okay, we're at the boat ramp. If you're into doing boating, which I saw a bunch of boats around, so let's see. Oh, yeah. This is pretty cool. Big grasshopper. drops off pretty quick. This is pretty solid, looks like. Yeah, there you go. That's pretty good. You can see the concrete keep on going. Doesn't just drop off into mud. So that's awesome. That's Runaway Bay. That's a Shell station, and right beside it is the marina, the bridge going into Bridgeport. Oh, what a gorgeous day. Okay, here we go, guys. We're leaving this 1,000 Trails here in Bridgeport, Texas. It's called Bay Landing RV Campground. It's really huge, fabulous place right on the lake. Got a private pond to fish in without a license. And anyway, just a little review for you guys. Hope you enjoy what we do, and if you do, hit like. If you really like what we do, hit subscribe, and then hit the bell for notifications. All right, we're on, we're going on. All right, later, bye.